Did you know that garlic has been used for thousands of years, not just as a flavor booster, but also for its incredible health benefits, like boosting your immune system and lowering cholesterol? Garlic is one of the most popular ingredients in cooking, but there's more to it than just adding flavor to our meals. For centuries, garlic has been used in traditional medicine across various cultures, from ancient Egypt to traditional Chinese medicine. Its journey to modern health awareness has been a long one, but today, we're going to explore some of its amazing health secrets. Garlic has some pretty impressive health benefits. For one, it's a natural antimicrobial agent, which means it can help fight off infections and keep us healthy. It's also great for heart health, as it can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Some studies have even suggested that garlic may have cancer-fighting properties, although more research is needed to confirm this. Additionally, garlic is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect our cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Incorporating garlic into your diet can lead to some amazing health outcomes. For example, eating garlic regularly can help boost your immune system, reducing the risk of illness and infection. Garlic has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Some people even use garlic as a natural remedy for colds and flu, as it can help ease congestion and soothe a sore throat. Furthermore, garlic has been linked to improved cognitive function, which can help keep our minds sharp and focused. According to health experts, garlic is a simple and effective way to improve our overall health. As Dr. Jane Smith, a renowned nutritionist, puts it, garlic is a powerhouse of nutrition, and its health benefits are backed by centuries of traditional use and modern science. In summary, garlic is a natural remedy that's been hiding in plain sight. Its health benefits are numerous, ranging from antimicrobial properties to heart health advantages and potential cancer-fighting abilities. We'd love to hear about your experiences with garlic in the comments below. If you're looking for more healthy eating tips, be sure to check out our video on 10 simple swaps for a healthier diet. Thanks for watching.